Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Webflow for no-code app building, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to webflow.com. Once the homepage loads, look for the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button to create an account. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in a valid email address and click the Get Started button again. Check your email for a verification message from Webflow. Click on the link in the email to verify your address. After verifying, you will be redirected back to the Webflow website. Now, enter your name and create a password for your account. Once done, click on the Create Account button. You will then see an option to choose your plan. For no-code app building, select the Starter plan. Review the features included in the Starter plan. If it meets your needs, click on the Choose Plan button. You may be asked for billing information if you decide to. At this point, you can access the Webflow dashboard. Explore various templates tailored for no-code app building. Select a template that aligns with your project requirements. Click on the Use Template button to start customizing. Familiarize yourself with the Webflow interface and tools. Use the visual editor to modify your app as needed. Once satisfied, click the Publish button to make your app live. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.